Hey guys, welcome to Rosie's Dessert Spot. Today I'll be demonstrating how to create a delicious pre-mix mud cake. A huge thank you to our sponsors My Dream Cake for supplying the tools and ingredients for today. We have a sharp cake tin in an 8-inch, the chocolate mud mix, parchment paper rolls, and the inserts, plus some milk chocolate and the chocolate paste. I'll be using the parchment paper roll to line the inside of my cake tin. This will just ensure that our cake comes out nice and easy. The actual packaging has teeth on the inside, so it kind of works the way you would expect Glad wrap or regular baking paper to work, so it cuts it off exactly where you need it. I'm applying an insert straight into the bottom, which sits flush with the sides. I sprayed in a little bit of vegetable oil to help everything to stick in there nicely. Next, I'm going to melt some vegetable oil with the milk chocolate buttons. This is in preparation for the cake mix. If you want to make your cake a little bit richer, quick tip is you can replace the oil for melted butter gram for gram and replace the water with milk gram for gram. Pop it aside to cool, and in the meantime, in your standing mixer with the paddle attachment, combine the water and the cake mix. Allow that to run on medium speed for about a minute, scrape down the sides, and then on high speed for 2 minutes. In the meantime, I'm going to measure out my chocolate paste. This just gives a whole bunch of richness to your cake along with a nice dark color. Blend that in for another minute or so and then gently pour in a stream your milk chocolate and oil mixture. Let that run for no longer than 2 minutes and pour it into your cake tin. My Dream Cake sells this cake mix in 500 grams, 1 kilogram bag, and 5 kilogram bags. The 1 kilogram will fill an 8-inch or 2 6-inch cakes. Cover in aluminium and bake as per package instructions. I also like to bake these cakes off at 170 degrees for about 50 minutes to an hour for an 8-inch size cake, and it comes out beautiful. It's been out for about half an hour cooling down. I am going to see what it looks like on the inside and have a taste test. It was delicious. And then from here, another 10 minutes or so 40 minutes out of the oven in total, I'm going to pop it into some baking paper, just cover it up. It's still going to be steaming a little bit. That's totally fine. We're actually going to trap that steam in with the Glad wrap. Into the fridge she goes to rest overnight, and that just helps the cake crumb to settle, helps it to firm up. You're less likely to get crumbing when you're cutting. It's just a whole lot easier to work with a chilled cake. I'm going to stick the top side down, facing down, so the cut side is facing up, and into the cut side I am going to create these little dollops with buttercream. Fill in all the way to the middle. And then on goes your next layer of cake, cut side facing down. Using a round piping tip, I'm creating a decorative space up top. I started from the center and worked my way out to the outside of the cake, creating these 1 centimeter round dollops. I'm then going to be loading this cake up with all delicious goodies. So we have some macarons. I'll also be adding in some gold dusted Maltesers. Into a Ziploc bag, I've added some Regal Gold Luster Dust by Creative Cake Decorating. Give the bag a bit of a toss with the Maltesers in there, and then that will coat them in gold. This is also 100% edible, which is awesome. I'm also adding in candy coated chocolates. You could also add sprinkles here instead if you like. And then a pearl border right at the base in the same buttercream just to finish it all off. You can go the next step if you like and add some sparkly glitter all over your cake. This is the iconic hologram white sparkle, and it is 100% edible as well, which is awesome. We have some backlighting here so we can see the actual glitter, and your cake is complete. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope this was a helpful demonstration. You can find the bakery grade cake mix and all the other tools at My Dream Cake, either in store or online. I'll have those links for you in the description box and linked in our bio. Thanks again for tuning in, and we'll catch you again in the next one.